Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take live photo in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and go to more button here. And here select live photo and take a photo. I am going to take this photo. Okay. If your photo has some movement, that will be captured. Okay, that is called a live photo. Okay, so while taking a photo, give some movement to the subject, and I have taken several clips and see how it looks like. See here, this is a live photo. Just long press on the photo. Subject with audio. Give some movement. With audio, it recorded. Okay, wow. It's called a live photo. Okay, see here. It's called a live. It's called a live. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.